Stellantis and Hongqi. A strategic move to localize Chinese luxury in Europe, reports suggest that Hongqi, China's premier luxury automotive brand, is in discussions with the global automaker Stellantis to establish a manufacturing footprint in Spain. While the deal remains unconfirmed, the potential partnership represents a significant shift in how Chinese manufacturers are navigating the increasingly protective European market. The complex web of partnerships, the proposed deal, is not a direct transaction between two giants, but rather a multi-layered negotiation involving Leapmotor. To understand the mechanics, one must look at the existing ownership structures. Stellantis currently holds a 20% stake in Leapmotor. FAW Group, the parent company of Hongqi, holds a 5% stake in Leapmotor. By leveraging Leapmotor as a bridge, Hongqi could potentially utilize Stellantis' existing industrial infrastructure in Spain. This indirect approach allows the companies to bypass the massive capital expenditure required to build a new factory from scratch. Why this matters? Tariffs and expansion. The motivation behind these talks is driven by two critical factors: geopolitics and growth. Evading import tariffs. The European Union has moved toward imposing much higher tariffs on Chinese-made vehicles to protect domestic manufacturers. By producing cars within Europe, Hongqi can bypass these red flag costs, making their luxury models price competitive with European rivals. Rapid market entry. Hongqi plans to launch over a dozen electric, EV, and hybrid models in Europe by 2028. Local production would provide the logistical backbone needed to support such an aggressive rollout. Stellantis, the broker of global automakers. Stellantis appears to be positioning itself as a vital gateway for Chinese brands entering the West. The company is not just talking to Hongqi. It is reportedly exploring various partnerships to optimize its underutilized European plants. Dongfeng. Discussions have reportedly involved Dongfeng gaining access to Stellantis plants in Italy and Germany, potentially in exchange for manufacturing Stellantis models in China. Tech giants. The conglomerate is also in talks with high-tech players like XPeng and Xiaomi. This suggests a broader trend. Stellantis may be looking to transform its idle capacity into a profitable platform for global players, effectively acting as a manufacturing partner for the companies that will define the next era of mobility. A legacy of national pride. The entry of Hongqi into Europe is a notable moment for the brand's history. Established in 1958 as China's first independently produced car, Hongqi has long been a symbol of national prestige. Once the preferred choice for high-ranking officials, including Mao Zedong, the brand is now attempting to translate that domestic status into international luxury credentials. The potential deal could allow Hongqi to scale its European presence rapidly, while avoiding the massive costs of new construction and the financial sting of import tariffs. Conclusion: if finalized, this partnership would allow Hongqi to bypass trade barriers and establish itself as a local player in Europe. It also signals a new era where European industrial assets become essential tools for Chinese brands aiming to conquer the global luxury market.